Good morning, everyone. I hope you're doing good. And today is April 24th, 2019, a Wednesday. Beautiful day right here in Rhode Island. And everything look very amazing. The sun is out, everything is warm. I'm enjoying it. And I want to talk about a topic that I don't usually focus on my channel. And this topic it is about penny stocks. Most of the time people want to trade penny stocks, and they keep asking me, right, do you have any pick in penny stocks? I do not trade penny stock a lot. I trade them once a while, and today I want to show you the perfect way to trade penny stocks and the penny stocks that you should be trading. And I will focus on biotech penny stocks. That's the one that we will focus on today. And today I will take you to a website, and this is the main website that you want to look at when you want to trade biotech penny stocks. And when you go in your browser, right, you go in your Google Chrome browser, you tap FDA calendar. So you will have this first link right here, and you click on it. So this will take you to the website FDA calendar, and here, just go straight in this. And the thing that we want to look for, one of the main thing that I want to show you, there's a lot of information. You can go through this whole thing, companies, and look into it and get more information. But due to the fact that I just want to do this presentation, I'm not gonna go in deep in all those details. Okay, so here is what we want to focus on today. There are companies, there are biotech companies, pharmaceutical companies that usually release their data on certain date, and those date, if you can track the stock, if you can follow the stock, sometimes the stock spike, they spike in volume and they spike in price. That's when you can make money in this penny stock. If you look at a stock like Mbrx, this is just an example. This stock is trading right now at $1.86, and since the open of today, the stock is up at 16.98%, and it is at a phase one. So the CC, so it means that the conference call, it is on April 24th today at 4:30 p.m. So there are significant discovery for lung cancer, FDA fast track designation, and recent corporate events. So these are the things that will happen today. So they will have a conference call. So if this discovery, it is a really something positive, this stock might spike more. So you never know when the stock will spike. So with this penny stock, and I want to remind you that any stock that is below $5 is considered a penny stock. Okay, any stock that is below $5, it is considered a penny stock. So when we look on the chart of this stock, I'm gonna take you to the chart. When you hit on the chart of the stock, so the stock since the open of today, it is up. You see, because of that news that is coming in, this stock is green because people think this stock will do good due to that information. The fact that there's a discovery that they're gonna release a data about today. So this is how you trade this stock. I'm gonna show you how you trade them. Right now it is on the daily chart, right? You go, this is trading view. I'm not in trading view right now. I'm just using this platform. So since the open of the day, see how the stock spike. This is how you make money. Oh, it's right here. This is how you make money in penny stocks. You put this stock, let's say you buy 100 share of this, and you got 25% on it. Right now it is at 22%. You can make sufficient money. 200, you got 25% on it, you might get like $50 on 200. That's a great return on a 200 investment. So the way you do it, once you have interest in a stock, you think that this stock will release a news, you're gonna have a specific entry point that you want the stock to go to break above. Once the stock break above that point, you're gonna take a position. Now, the thing with penny stock that beginners do not know, penny stock do not actually respect patterns, because they can be easily manipulated. Because if I take $2,000 right now, I can I can I can move this stock quickly, because it's just $1.94. If I buy 2,000 share right now, this stock will spike. At the same time, if I sell 2,000 share right now, the stock will drop, because it can be manipulated with $1,000, $2,000. You can manipulate this stock. So this stock, these penny stocks, you don't want to buy and hold. You want to buy them. Once they spike in price, you want to sell and take your profit. You don't want to be greedy, because they can spike the same way they can drop. Okay, let me go and show you a second example for those stock. That was one of the examples that I was trying to show you. Now let's take another one. This AKTX, this stock, it is trading right now at hold on, let me see, 3.94. So on the 28th of April, in 4 days, okay, between this time frame, between April 28 and May 2nd, phase 2 interim data update due to coincide with ARVO made in April 28. So there's something that will pop up. There's a data that will be released, or some information at this date, between this date. I don't usually track those, because I don't want to be watching a stock between a time frame. So I choose the one that mostly have a specific date. So let's go again, and I'm gonna show you. Right, this is a perfect one. Nbrv. Right now the stock is down, but complicated urinary tract infection, so TEPO. So this is the drug that they're gonna be releasing. So PDUFA date under priority review April 30. On April, this stock, or this company is almost there to get its product or its drugs approved. So there's few steps left that this company will get this drug approved. So what you want to do on April 30, you want to have this stock in your watch list and keep watching it. Right now it is down 1.05%. If you have this stock in April, I'm gonna have this stock. I'm gonna put it right now in my watch list. Okay, so and we will see the result, okay, later on. So this stock on April 30, the date under priority review. This stock, this company, the drug will be reviewed on April 30. If there's a good news, this stock will spike. It might go to $3 or $4. You never know. So you want to keep them in your watch list. That's the main thing. You don't want to go and buy them and hold them. They might drop if there's a bad news. So you have them in your watch list. If you have an alert, you set up an alert on there. We will go on the chart right now, and I will show you how you can do that. So this is trading view. Okay, so look at where the stock is right now. So on April 30, this stock will have a data release. There's some information that will be released. Right now the stock is going down. So the way you want to set up the alert, hold on, let me see. Yeah, it depends if you have a platform that allows you. If you draw the trend line, you see it's forming a symmetrical triangle. I will take this in trading view so we can all look at a trading view. I just want to show you because I know many people like trading penny stocks, but one of the best way to trade it is this way. Hold on, let me see. HIL, yeah, HIL has. Hold on, let me look at NBRV. NBRV, a pharmaceutical. So I'm gonna do my analysis on this stock quick and see how the stock is behaving, and so we can take a proper decision in the future. Okay. So let me see my trend line. They are simple. I don't complicate my life. Okay. I make things easy. So it's easy to trade. So the resistance is here. Let me change the resistance so you can have. So the resistance is the green line and the support is the red line. So this stock is forming a symmetrical triangle. And if you remember in my teachings, I say a symmetrical triangle is a non-decision. No one knows. They don't know where the stock is going. So everyone is just waiting to see where the stock will go. And you see what the stock is doing is in this triangle. It's trading in this triangle. So the stock might burst, it might break above this or break down below this. You never know. You wait till you see something happen. Okay. So that's how it is. So I'm gonna keep this stock in my watch list. It is N NBRV. I don't usually focus on yeah, it's right. It's 283 right now, so it keep going down. You can have it in your watch list, watching it. If you say this stock comes to this resistance line and you think it's gonna break above, you wait till it break above and you take a position. And with penny stocks, you don't want like a $1, $2. You just want a move of 10 cent or 3 cent. Yeah, depend on how many share you hold. 5 cent, you can make a lot of money. So you just want to see the trend and you follow the trend. I hope you understand how to trade those penny stocks. They are really profitable, but you have to bear in mind that they don't follow patterns a lot of time. They can do whatever they want. That's the reason why I don't focus on them a lot. And on this website too, let me show you some of the stuff that you can find. Hold on, let me see. Yeah, the search company, biotech stocks. Right here, you can get more information on biotech stock. You see, right now it's telling you top gainers, top losers, and usual volume. So this have you can come down here every morning and see how the stock are behaving. This stock it is up at 30%. You see, let's go and look at the chart. See how the stock is behaving. Um, okay, it is the one that we saw today, so it keep moving upward. So it is Mbrx. So Mbrx is moving, and if you can watch this stock, it might spike today because I told you when we did the search right here. I told you that this stock at 4:30 at 4:30 p.m. today, the stock will have a news coming in. It's right here. So it is up at 30%. So April 24, 4:30 p.m. this stock will have a significant news. So you want to watch it. And there's a lot of them. You do those search and you find those penny stocks and you can hold on to them and see how they behave and you can trade them. This is the best way I think to trade penny stocks. I don't usually trade them. I trade penny stocks like 10% in my entire life. I don't trade them often. Okay, so I hope you have learned something and have a beautiful day. Bye bye.